Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to bookmark in Brave browser. So to do this process, first thing that you will do is of course go to the specific site that you want to bookmark. For example, I am going to search for our YouTube channel over here, and now here on the channel, I want to bookmark this one. So to do that, you can just simply select the save icon over here, as you can see. So click on save over here, guys, to have it as bookmark. And actually, you can change the name of it, and you will have the folder as well. I'm gonna go for bookmarks and select that. Now to check all of your bookmark, you can just simply select the three lines in the top right corner over here. And now over here, you will have an option bookmarks and lists, and you will have an option bookmark manager, and from here you should be able to see all of your bookmarks. Pretty much when you go to the YouTube, as you can see, we should be able to see our bookmark over here right away. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.